We have had a mystery on our hands this week.
We are the crew of the mighty ship, the Envisioneer.
While searching for an ancient treasure map, we were marooned on an island, and a key part of our map went missing.
We consider 4 suspects of the entire crew.
Today, you will hear the evidence collected against Dr. Smart and Shipwright Neff.
On all the evidence our STEM groups have submitted, we believe that Dr. Smart and Shipwright Neff are guilty of stealing the ancient map.
My name is Hannah Chapman, and today I'll be showing you how to properly put on a splint. The reason why the splint was important to our case was because a few people sprained their arm and leg. Now I will show you how to properly put one on. First, you have to take the splint and you bend your arm or leg and you unfold it all the way until it's straight. You then lay your arm on bent to the very top. You then fold the other side over and start to mold your hand in it. Now you take the ace bandage wrap and go over the splint. Make sure to put it tight so it will stay. When finished, tuck the end in and you have your fully splint.
I am Marcus Henderson, and today I'm going to be talking about the lung and what happens when your lung is deflated. Your diaphragm pushes up to breathe out, and it pulls down so you can breathe in. Whenever your lung is deflated, you begin wheezing and you have difficulty breathing.
My name is Tristan, and I'm going to be telling you about how we built our MBOTs for the STEM project. During the activity, we were given several parts and assembled them with cables, screws, and Velcro. Our MBOTs were important to the case as they were needed to help locate and rescue several missing crew members. As detailed in Captain's Log 4, it is imperative that your robot locates and assists in the rescue of the missing Envisioneers. This has been short, but next up we have Mr. Farai, who will be discussing why we built them.
Hello, my name is Farai, and I will be talking about why we are going to build these MBOTs. We are building these MBOTs so we're going to be looking for all the lost crew members on the Envisioneer. Because after the shipwreck, all the Envisioneers, all the people who were on the Envisioneer were missing on the deserted island. And now Mr. Jason will talk about programming these MBOTs.
We have to finish coding the MBOTs before we can program them to go on the mission to find the lost crew members.
I'm Robert, and we had to program the MBOTs to help with the search and rescue mission to find the missing crew members. I will be presenting why we were programming our robots. We programmed our robots to rescue the lost shipmates. This is important to the case because these shipmates were possible suspects. The building of the bridge is what we will be discussing next by Casey.
Hi, I'm Casey Washington. I will be talking about how the bridge helped the people survive on the ship. This bridge helped people survive on the ship, and the MBOT survived. The MBOT is going to thrive with this bridge. What we did during the bridge activity was take straws and paper clips and built a bridge for the MBOT to cross. Also, we worked together on the Envisioneer. Prosecutors learned how we built bridges, and some key takeaways are that building bridges help people survive.
Hi, my name is Nora Mitchell, and today I'll be talking about how to treat a snake bite and what to do and don't do when you get a snake bite. One of the people on the Envisioneer got bit by a snake bite. Got bit by a snake. We figured out that it was a hemotoxic snake bite. The hemotoxic snake bite affects your blood. It was a Milan pit viper. When you get a snake bite, you do call 911 immediately. You take off all your jewelry and keep calm. You keep the snake bite below your heart. You don't give the patient alcohol or caffeine. You don't run away or apply an ice pack. This case is important because Sydney Young, who got bit by a snake, she saw Neff get handed a paper in the hallway. Neff saw Sydney and kidnapped her, and that's how she got her snake bite.
Hi, I'm Grayson King, and I'm going to be talking about the heart and how heart attacks happen. So, the heart is one of the most important muscles and most important organs in your body. It pumps blood through the veins to the tip of the fingers, then helps you breathe, and it pumps blood to the brain so you can survive. And heart attacks occur whenever you have a blood clot in your body. Heart failure can occur from blood clots and many different reasons. If the veins are clogged, your vein gets cut. If there's multiple possible reasons, but the most common is blood clots, and blood clots occur whenever your veins get clogged and cause heart attacks. And in conclusion, that is the heart works.
It all started when our ship wrecked. After that, there was a blood splatter, so we replicated blood drops. While replicating blood drops, we tried 3 different heights: 12 inches, 30 inches, and 66 inches. After further notice, the blood was dropped by 30 inches.
Today we will be talking about analyzing blood drops. The first thing we did is drop the blood 30 inches. The next day we measured the blood, and that's how we were able to tell who was guilty.
We put fingerprints and we identified the guilty person. We put tape on the cup with the fingerprints and pushed it on there real hard. And then we ripped it off, and then we held it up to the light, and we could see the fingerprints of the guilty person.
Hello, my name is Andrew. We discovered what the powdery substance was. I will show you how we did it. First, we got baking soda, flour, powdered sugar. We mixed water, vinegar, iodine in each. The mystery substance was cornstarch.